Let's configure a ServiceNow endpoint for integration within ONEiO. Head to the Endpoints tab and click on Plus New Endpoint. Scroll through the list of available endpoints and select ServiceNow. After naming the endpoint, log into ServiceNow and copy your ServiceNow root address from the browser's address bar. Select the correct time zone and hit Create. Now you're ready to configure ServiceNow. Visit the Help Center article titled How to Configure ServiceNow for Integration with ONEiO. Navigate to the section on Dynamic Update Sets and follow the steps to download the Update Set XML. Navigate to the Retrieved Update Sets window and import the XML. Next, preview the update set and commit it. ServiceNow now has all the components ready to start sending REST messages to ONEiO. Let's configure these for our production environment. Navigate to REST Messages and open ONEiO REST Messages. We're going to make some changes to the authentication profile, so hit Preview and open the record. Rename the profile and head back to ONEiO to copy the username and generate a new password. Now we can remove the word test from the endpoint URL and hit Update. When we reopen REST messages, open the test authentication message and hit the test link on the left. The 202 status lets us know that the test was successful. Now, on the ONEiO side, open the message feed from the tab on the left to inspect the message. Please note that the update set provided by ONEiO contains ServiceNow business rules for incident management. You can duplicate these rules as a template for other ticket types. We need to create a ServiceNow user account for ONEiO. Head to User Administration and create a new user. Name the user ONEiO and select the required boxes. We're going to assign the user some roles, so open the user profile and hit Edit. ITIL should be enough for most cases. Now set a password for the user and remember to save it. Copy that password and paste it into the password field of the ServiceNow endpoint on ONEiO. Now that ONEiO has ServiceNow user credentials, bi-directional communication is possible. Hit Save and we're done. Now you can start connecting ServiceNow to other tools in your ecosystem.